Hello, this is guitar lesson. Now today we'll see the chords, guitar chords A B C D E F G, A B C D E F G, 7 chords. This is A, and this B, and this C, and D, and E. This you can put bar also, or you can take 2 strings below. It's F, and this G. Okay. Now a chord is like this. Uh, this string first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. This sixth string, and below is first string. Now, for A chords, you need second, third, and fourth string on this second fret. Fret means this first fret, second fret, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Now don't go here. This A B C D comes up to G, comes up to your fifth fret. Now in second fret we take second, third, fourth string, and in this fourth, 1 2 3 4